unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Prednisone can be effective for treating coughing and wheezing when they are symptoms of an underlying inflammatory condition, such as asthma or allergic reactions. It works by reducing inflammation in the airways, making breathing easier. However, it is not a one-size-fits-all solution and should be used under the guidance of a healthcare provider, as it may not be suitable for all types of coughs and wheezing, and can have side effects.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.